Hi there. Today I'm going to teach you how to pronounce the voiced TH sound. The voiced TH sound is called voiced because of vocal cord vibration. An example of a voiced TH sound is the word there. There. There, as you can see, THERE requires you to put your tongue between your teeth. And then if you put your palm on your vocal cords here, you'll feel vocal cord vibration. Zzz, 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 zzz. So you need to have vocal cord vibration in order to do it right. So if I'd say there, there's no vocal cord vibration. It's so a similar distinction is between the S sound and the Z sound, between SUE, S-U-E, and ZOO, Z-O-O. S, SUE, and Z, Z, as in zoo. Okay? So examples of the voiced TH sound are the following. This, that, these, those, the, father, mother, brother, rather, and there. So this, THIS. That, THAT. That, these. THESE, these, those, 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 the, 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 father, FATHER, mother, MOTHER, brother, BROTHER, rather, RATHER, there, THER. So what are some common problems when you are trying to pronounce this sound? You may use the sound D or Z by mistake. So some people, instead of saying this, THIS, may say dis. Some people may say this rather than this. That. Some people may say dat for THAT. Some people may say zat. Okay? So listen to the words that I've said before and think about if I'm doing them correctly or incorrectly. This. This. I did this one correctly. Zat. Zat. THAT. That's not right. Zat. Instead of saying th, I said zzz. D's. D's. That's not right. THESE. So it should be these. Those. 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 That one's right. The. 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 That one's right. There. 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 That one's right. Father. Father. That one's not right. It should be father. Father. Mutter. Mutter. That one's not right. It's mother. Brother. Brother. That one's not right either. It should be brother. Okay, so the thing to remember when you're trying to pronounce the voiced TH sound is you need to have vocal cord vibration, as in zzz or v, and you need to put your tongue here. Okay, so remember it's this, that, these, those, the. Okay, keep practicing.